What's up? It's Shinedown. It's Brent Smith, and I'm here with my goons. In this corner, weighing 11 songs, it's the sound of madness. What a shame that I'm going to win this battle. And in the other corner, we've got my newest baby. I don't know its name yet, but we're still trying to think about it. What's up, guys? I'm 365 Dance Cadets in Killing Fields. You might want to run. Killing Fields? Yeah, I'll be killing you, pal. Get on with it, man. I hate the woke. Well, hey, no need for planetary regulations. Alright, we're starting the battle in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was pretty good. Shinedown 8. Wait, I think that kind of rolls off the tongue. Shinedown 8. I like that. Bro, that crap was ass. Better win.
My eyes are open wide. By the way, I made it through the day. I watch the world outside. By the way, I'm leaving out today. I just saw Haley's comment your way. Said, why you always running in place? Even the man in the moon disappeared. Somewhere in the stratosphere. Tell my mother, tell my father, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is my life. I hope they understand. I'm not angry, I'm just saying, sometimes goodbye is a second chance.
And once again, the sound of madness cooks. What do you mean, once again? This was your first beatbox. I guess you could say I got a second chance. Bro, that song made me huge. Swear. Yeah, well, you're overrated. Yeah, and you're washed, so don't even try. Man, you've got such little votes. You belong on planet 0. Hold on, say that again.